What do you think about graphic design? Can you tell me about it briefly?
Um, what do I think about graphic design? I think graphic design is a powerful language that can be used to visually communicate almost any message. And it's been around for millennia. We've used graphic design, often in the form of art, instead of the term graphic design, to tell stories, to pass messages, to convince people to do certain things. It's been used for good as well as for evil, in the use of propaganda and displaying various messages. It's a very powerful form of communication.
What is the most important elements or points to study graphic design?
Some of the most important elements to study graphic design, in my opinion, have to do with the history of graphic design, as well as the psychology of the audience who is looking at the design work. I believe that we need to know, as designers, what our audience knows, what experiences they have. We also need to know where we come from as graphic designers and the role of art in our history and in our culture.
Do you have some advice for graphic design student?
Yes, I have some advice for graphic design students. I advise graphic design students to read, to look critically at the world around them, to look at the visual images that are portrayed in print, in media, in television, on the web, and to really critically analyze what they see. I also advise them to look at history, look at where we've been as designers, as artists, and as a culture, so you can formulate decisions on where, or theories on where we may be going as designers.